Okay, what's up guys? Today we are playing Build a Boat for Treasure. So, yeah. We're gonna try and get to the end. And, yeah. Let's just build stuff right now. Just checking my saves if I want to load in anything. I don't. Yep. We just have to get that sped up because, like, yeah, why not? Oh, 1960 gold. Let's go. That's very good. I'm gonna have to speak up because my mic collects barely any audio. I'm gonna get this camera. I wanna get this camera. It looks cool. What does the camera do? So, you have to get rid of these. What are these little goofy goobers doing around here? We're gonna have to build something. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, it doesn't move. Dang it. It doesn't move. Yep. And we're just gonna clear everything. Yeah, time to build another boat. Okay. Okay, now that's done. This is gonna be good. And yeah. Oh, the harpoon accidentally done that. Barely breathe. So yeah. Where am I going? Where am I going? Ah! Where am I going? Okay, here we go. Ah! Ah! Where are we going? Ah! Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh, dang it. Aw. I died. At least I got 50 gold. That's cool. Sorry, accidentally let go of the recording thing. Oh, here we go. Yeah. My game crashed. Dang it! Let's go back and build a boat. Here we go. Oh, 80 gold. Wow. Yeah, guys, it's coming to the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and I'll see you guys in maybe the next video. I don't know, but I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, bye.